Yeah, hello everyone. Right, in today's session, we will see about hyperlinks. So, what is meant by hyperlinks? So, hyperlinks is also can be called as the links. So, these links are used to move from one web page to another web page. Right here, there is a simple syntax is there. So, there is a tag called A. We call it as a anchor tag. So, here first time we are using an attribute that is called href. It is an attribute. So we will again see what is meant by attributes and what are the use of it. All those things we will check once again in the attributes concept. So let us understand here the syntax is there is an anchor tag which has an attribute href reference. It is equal to we need to give the URL name, and after that we need to define the content that is called link name. The tags we inside the tags, what are the things is there, it will act like a display, right? So there will be a opening tag and closing tag. Between the whatever the information is there, that will be displayed in the web page. So here anchor tag will have some URL, and it will have some link name, right? If you click that anchor tag, it will move from one page to another page, right? Let us see one small example. So by covering all the tags which we have learned in yesterday, so we have learned about paragraph tag, bold tag, headings, right? So let us mix all the tags in one page, and we will include one hyperlink also, right? So let's open notepad. Right, this is from tomorrow session onwards we will use an editor called notepad plus plus. This is the last session for you people to make the practice, right? First, what we need to do, so we need to first thing we need to save, right? First we need to save file, save as, and double quotations, and I simply write hyperlink dot html. This thing we need to change because defaultly .txt will be there for notepad. I simply change that extension to html and press html, right, and press save. Now we will write the code. So as usually, start the structure, and after that we need to give a head section. The head section inside the head section I will use a tag called title, which is used to give name for the web page, and I will give the web page name as hyperlink, creating hyperlinks. And after that I will close the title tag, and next I will close the head section also, and straight away I will open the body tag. What is the use of body tag? Body tag will hold the information which need to be displayed in the web page, right? I will give we have learned in yesterday a lot of tags, right? So I will straight away I want to show you one output so that you can understand what we are going to design, right? Right, we will try to implement this output, right? So here there is a heading and which appear at the center of the page, and here there is an italic. Hyperlinks need to display in italic, and after that there are two new lines. That means we need to use two break tag, and after that this is a hyperlink. By clicking this hyperlink, it need to move to the Google page, right? Let us check, let us practically implement this output through HTML, right? So as usual, open notepad. Sorry, already we have created one notepad code also, right? So we have created, we will start continue. So what is my first thing? I need to display welcome to hyperlink, right? So for that, I will use one paragraph, p tag, paragraph tag, See, the best practice, if you open the tag and after that immediately close the tag, it is the best practice. And inside the paragraph I need to include all those things. So first I need to display a heading. So for heading, it looks very larger size, right? So straight away I will use h1 tag. H1 tag, and what is the content? Welcome to hyperlink, right? Welcome to hyperlink, and straight away I will close the H1 tag and save it, and let us check what is that. So okay, we got welcome to hyperlink. So here I have used uppercase, so right, welcome to hyperlink, but it is in center of the page. So to make center of the page, here I am introducing another tag called center tag. Center open, center close, and save it, and again refresh it, right? It came straight away center of the page. And after that, what I need to do, I need to write some another content. Hyperlinks are useful to move one page to another page. So here hyperlinks is in italics, that word is in italics. Straight away press enter and italic hyperlinks. It is italics. And after that NBSP, this is used for spacing. So I will show you once again if 30. So I will straight away write the line, and after that you can understand. Hyperlinks are useful to move from one page to another page, right? Simply save it and refresh it. So here it is shown hyperlinks are useful to move from one page to another page. So if you need any gap here, more than gap, so straight away here ampersand and NBSP semicolon. This is used for spacing. So you observe here, there is space. If you again use another space, ampersand NBSP semicolon, save it, and after that refresh it. So another space is there, right? So, but what is our output? Our output is it need to appear center of the page. It need to center, very center. So straight away, I again use straight away. I will again use here center tag, center tag. So save it and just refresh it. So you can observe here it came center of the page, and here this looks a hyperlink. This is a normal text. And next, what we need to do? So we need to create a hyperlink. This is our main concept. So to create hyperlink, use a tag called anchor tag ahref. Href is an attribute, and for that attribute we need to attach one URL. So my URL is www.google.co.in. Double quotations close. I have closed the anchor tag opening, and after that I need to give the name. The name is navigate to Google, and after that close the anchor tag. The data which is there between these opening and closing tags will appear in the web page, right? So save it and just refresh it. So what is there? We got this is the hyperlink. So you can observe a normal text is there, it will show like this. So even the pointer will become like this, but when coming to the hyperlink it will show the finger hand symbol, right? So if I click, it will move to the, it need to move to the Google page, right? But a small change we need to make. I need to bring this navigate to Google to center of the page. So for that I again go and apply here the center tag. Center tag and save it and straight away refresh it. So it came. But what is the small change here? I need to give 2 lines space. I need to enter 2 lines, right? If you observe carefully in the output also, what is there? There is a big gap, right? I need to create that gap. So for that, straight away I need to move to the code and I need to give a 2 breaks. BR, you can write straight line itself, or you can enter next line also, no problem. BR, save it and go to the output, just refresh it, right? That's it. This is the simple output which we have created, right? So practice it so that you can understand and you will get lot of queries. Post your queries in the comment section, right? That's all for right now, and we will see next concept, right? Thanks for watching.